Hey, what's up? I had a couple good sales today. I got this Baltimore Ratzilla hoodie. It has no comps. It's from a local Baltimore artist, and I listed it for 30, and I got 30 for it today. And I sold some knobs to my old washer. It was a roper, and yeah, I junked it, but I still got $15 for knobs that I was throwing away. And I took an offer for $40. I bought this Sony DVD player. It has the where's the zipper? I've always wanted one of these. I never had one, but it's a little DVD player. It's got all the accessories, the car chargers, and the home charger, and the remote. And I took an offer of 40. I paid 10 for that. So yeah, got some good sales today.